Magic reveal!
My aunt asked me to make her a laundry sign, so I decided to create a 3D sign using wood as the base and white acrylic, which you see in the video. The acrylic is first being scored and then cut. Next, I begin cutting out the letters and the ribbon in black acrylic. After that was cut, I scored and cut the washer, dryer, and towels in white acrylic. Then, I painted the scored lines with black acrylic paint to bring out the details of the washer, dryer, and towels. Next time, I will make sure to engrave the details instead of score. Acrylic sheets always come with a protective backing. So, after I cut and score, I began to remove the backing. Since this part took long, I will cut it short for video purposes. Now that I have everything ready, it is time to begin gluing everything together. I first start by gluing the white acrylic to the wood. To glue everything, I'm using this two-part glue system. First, I use the spray, which is the activator of the glue. Then, I use a small bottle of liquid glue. I recommend wearing protective gear as this stuff smells really strong and can irritate the eyes and nostrils. I speak from experience. The glue dries very quickly, so I then started to work on gluing all of the letters, ribbon, and the washer, dryer, and towels. This part did take a while, so let's speed it up 40 times. After everything had been glued down, I used gold mirror adhesive vinyl to cut out the smaller details and design. Since I didn't have gold acrylic, I used my Cricut to cut out the vinyl. Once cut, I began to weed them out and used my fingers and tools to help me place the smaller parts into the scored part of the acrylic and transfer tape to transfer the bigger design onto the scored part of the acrylic. And this is the final look. This piece can be personalized with any name and can now be purchased from my Etsy shop. Click on the link below or in my bio to be redirected.